So in this iteration of my backend authentication project, I focused on improving API robustness by adding proper input validation and error handling. The goal was to make the authentication flow safer, more predictable, and closer to production standards. Earlier, the API assumes valid input, but which is risky. In real systems, client can send malformed or missing data. So I added validation to ensure only well-structured request reaches the business logic and all error causes re- return clear, consistent responses. I used sort for schema-based validation. For registration, I validate name length, email format, and password length. For login, I validate the presence and format of credentials. I use SafePass to validate errors don't crash the app, and I rely on validation.data to ensure only trusted input data is used. I did not use request.body as it can contain the data which is unsafe. So using validation.data ensures that only the validated and the proper data is going to our business logic and to the database. Validation only checks structure. Business rules like checking if an email already exists are handled separately. If user already exists, I return a 409 conflict. For login failures, I always return a generic invalid credentials message to avoid leaking information. Passwords and hashed. Passwords are hashed using bcrypt before saving. During login, I compare hashed passwords securely. JWTs are issued only after successful authentication, including minimal data, and have an expectation to reduce risk if compromised. With these changes, the API is more resilient to bad input, follows better HTTP sentiments, and avoids common security pitfalls. This pattern can scale well and forms a strong base for adding refresh tokens or role based access next. Thank you.